You just have to put aspirin in the fabric softener and then you will thank me. Stop spending money, because after this advice, your home will never be the same. And to achieve it, this is what you should do. First, get a blister of aspirin and then take 3 of them. Once this is done, now take a roll of absorbent paper. It can also be a cloth or cloth if you prefer. Then place the aspirins right in the center. Then fold it like this to crush with the help of some tool or object. We are going to crush until we crush all the aspirins until we get a fine powder. After this, take a large container. It can be one that you use for cleaning purposes. Then add all this aspirin powder. Then add 4 cups of hot water. Stir until all the powder is dissolved. Once this is done, now we are going to need vinegar, but it has to be white vinegar. It cannot be another type of vinegar. We are going to add about 5 ounces of vinegar. And then stir well. Now we are going to need fabric softener. I'm using this, but feel free to use the one you prefer. But if possible, use a concentrated one because the aroma will be much better. So we are going to add 2 caps of concentrated fabric softener. We are also going to add dish detergent. Add 3 tablespoons of dish detergent. And to finish, we are going to add another 4 cups of water, but now at room temperature. And mix a little more. And our mixture is ready. Dear ones, now just take a 2-liter plastic bottle, which is the amount of our mixture. Then transfer everything to the bottle. Here on the lid you can make a small hole with a nail because it will make the application much easier later. What we just did here is the best home floor cleaner. With this product you can clean, disinfect, and perfume your floors. And not only that, due to aspirin, this will also help keep insects away, especially cockroaches, since in hot times these insects tend to appear more often, and this product can help you with that. So you don't need to buy more floor cleaner and air freshener. Try this product and you will be amazed. You can use it in every room of the house, on the bathroom floor, on the kitchen floor, on the living room floor, as you prefer. If you made it this far, leave me the phrase home cleaner, so I will know that you stayed until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to receive our advice.